Would you like to be at the forefront of healthcare without spending years to become a doctor? If yes, then phlebotomy is best for you. But where do you even start? You start with the basics by practicing on dummy arms until you're ready to perform live blood collections under expert supervision. You also need a certificate to boost your credibility. Lucky for you, Inspire London College is offering the best training in phlebotomy in a friendly learning environment and a high pass rate. After completion, you'll receive a certificate of attendance, a certificate of competence, and a CPD accredited certificate and transcript. Apply now and get a health and safety at work course for free. What are you waiting for? This is your chance to start making a difference sooner with phlebotomy, your quickest entry into healthcare.